Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today we are gonna be learning about how to join Reddit chat rooms. To join a Reddit chat room is super easy. Open your Reddit application on your mobile device first and then log into your existing account. Once you are in, go to the search icon at the top right corner and then in the text box, type in the name of the community. After writing down the name of the community, you will be ending up in their page. Go ahead and tap on the join button at the top right corner and you will then be able to join in to the selected community or subreddit. Now if the community or subreddit has chat enabled, you will see options like join chat, chat room or a chat icon. Simply tap on the chat icon in order to start up with the chat room. Once you're inside the chat room, you can read messages, react with emojis or type your own. So that's how you easily join a chat room on Reddit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.